Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the design of the mockup. So you can make easily a mockup with the Photoshop and you can sell it, you can use this mockup for your just design purpose and other stuffs. So let's start. You know that if you're new in the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So go to the file and open up. I'll just got some pictures. This one is a PNG image, and like this one is a low poly wallpaper, and I'll use these two things and I'll make a mockup. So I'm starting from the scratch. So go to the file and new options, and I'll take a canvas which is the 2560 and 1440 and 200 pixel per inch and make the color mode into RGB, just because of I want to make it publish in a web purpose. Otherwise I will use the CMYK color mode. So hit the create button, you'll get the just a white background. Unlock this one, just click over here and go to the adjustment layer and solid color. I'll use a solid color just because of if I need to change the color, then double press over here and I can change the color whatever I need. So I'm using the light ash color, so that's nice. And after that, file and place embedded options, and then I'll just insert this one. So press the shift button and hold it and make it smaller, and just I can make it in a middle. So Ctrl A for the select all the things, and here is the alignment options, and in the middle options, middle from right to left. So after that, right press and restylize this layer and giving the name phone, just because of this one is a phone. And now I'll just cut it up and I'll use this portion, the screen portion. So at first I'll go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle according to the screen. But one thing, just here, just turning off, here is little bit curvy. That means if I draw this one is not appropriate, so that's why I need to change it to the curvy. The corner will be like curve. So press Ctrl T and make the placement according to the screen resolution, screen size, and just make sure that all the area will cover, and it will be make the perfection. So and then here is the options, the apply, here is the options, the properties. If you don't get this one here, over here, go to the window and properties, you'll get this window. So from here I'm making it zoom, and here is the options, the corner, here is the round options, and I'll make it round, like not too much. So 5 pixel is good, so make it 5. Yeah, and make sure that the link is like selected and hit the enter button, and every corner you'll get the 5 pixel curvy like that. So here the before and after, so the properly curved. So now I'll use this one and I'll make it smart object, convert to smart object, right press and convert to smart object. So if I right click in this box, smart object, and it will open up in new window. And then if I save anything in this window, so here is two window, the smart object window and the main window. If I place here, suppose I want to place this one like this and hit the OK button and just press save this one, and it will save in this window. And it's amazing if you give any kind of image over here. Suppose if I give the image like that and save it, and you'll get the image in this window. So you can use this window as a design purpose, and you can make it in this window save. So you have to save it and you'll get here. So if I use this color, and I think this color is good, and hit the OK button, and then this hand is not properly enlightened, so that's why just I'll use the levels option. Go to the adjustment layer and level, and just mask it and dark it, make it dark. Yeah, that's fine. And if you need, you can use the low poly here, over here. So file and place embedded options and use this low poly and make it bigger like that, and hit the OK button. So it will make more exposure like that. So you can make it blurry if you want. Go to the filter and blur options and Gaussian blur, and you can control the blur like that. So it could be like that, and hit the OK button. So if you need, you can change everything or every corner, every other things. So this one is the main thing, the rectangle. That is the, if I make here the replace or edit, so right press here and make it red, and it will be more visible to like that. Red window will be changed, and this one will be the mockup. So if I change here, if I give any other images like this one, so if I replace here and write down something like your design, and if I make the alignment in the middle, and if I give a rectangle like that, turn off the fill color and give some stroke, the white color, and give the pixel 10 and alignment them in a middle. If I group it and make it in a middle and give some like a drop shadow like this, and hit the OK button and save it. Let's see, it will just save in this window. If I turn it off and if I make it bigger like your design, and if I just bring the opacity down of the drop shadow, so that's fine, and hit the OK button and press Ctrl S and save it, and you'll get your like mockup. So I think it will help you out a lot. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and thank you so much. If you need this mockup, please check out my video description. I'm giving this mockup free of cost, and you can download this one and you can use it in your design purpose. So until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.